work done. And by work, I mean art. And by art, I mean movies. And by movies, I mean films. And by films, I mean performances.
Yes, exactly. The ocean.
Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in!
Yeah, this is good.
The wind is very heavy. This is a tripod I got for free. The plate was missing, so we had to replace that. It's a little bit shaky. But we'll see how it does for Isaac.
There's plenty of space on this camera, so.
Oh, you
But
want
first, let's figure out sound. So is it on? Get closer to Zoe. Yeah. Keep going. Okay. It was good. I tried to just let whatever happens happen. It was my first thing where I did it as a performance piece on purpose. So after everything we looked at in class, I didn't try to make it like a film or super showy or like, I think it turned out better than I expected.
Hands up, touch the sky. In order to heal your ailments, you must go to the ocean.
We're finished filming for the
Ah.
day.
That was a harrowing and intense. Hey vlog. We just filmed 3 films, believe it or not. 2 for me, 1 for Cooper. It was very intense, but very fun, and thanks to everyone, I now kind of have a more complete idea of what I'm making, which is great.
Hey vlog, I acted in films. It was only supposed to be 1, but it ended up being more than 1.
Yes, it was very important.
And then I took a few tumbles, took a few spills, flubbed a few lines, but in the end, I think I'm a better man for it.
Sage, do you have my hat? Hey.